Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Today we're making this gorgeous puff sleeve A-line maxi dress. So let's begin. Begin by folding your fabric in half and then half again. Use a loose fitting top as your pattern. Place your top on the folded edge. Carefully cut around the top, leaving a 1-inch seam allowance. Measure how long you want your dress to be. Carefully cut, adding extra for hemming the dress. Continue to cut the dress all the way to the bottom. Extend the neckline by 3 inches on one of the bodice pieces. This will mark the front of the dress. Place the pattern pieces right sides together and pin at the shoulders. For the sleeves, fold your fabric in half. Then fold it again into a triangle. Measure 16 inches from the bottom of the fold. This is the length of the full sleeve. Now mark the top of this measurement and make a straight cut. Now measure the 16 inches again and carefully cut. I use pins to mark my positions, but you can use a fabric marker. Remove pins and open the pattern piece. Cut the pattern piece in two at the folded edge. This will give us 2 sleeves. Fold one sleeve and pin. Now cut a curve on the non-folded edge, just like so. Use your first sleeve as a template to cut your second sleeve. Remember to cut on the non-folded edge. Trim the corners to mark the center. First, stitch the shoulders of the dress. For the sleeves, add a gathering stitch on the curved part of the sleeve. Carefully pull the gathers together. Your sleeve should look like this. Place the sleeve on the dress right sides together and pin. Distribute the gathers evenly and mark the center. Carefully pin the sleeve onto the armhole and stitch together. Your sleeve should look like this, and repeat the same process for the other sleeve. For the cuffs, take a measurement just below your elbow. Use this measurement to cut a 5-inch wide band. Cut on a folded edge to cut 2 cuffs at the same time. Here you have 2 cuffs for your sleeves. Now create gathers on the bottom of the sleeve. Pull these gathers to the length of the cuffs. Position your cuffs and pin. Carefully stitch the cuff to the sleeve. And here you have your complete sleeve. Now fold the dress in half, right sides together, pin the sides of the dress and stitch along both sides. For the neck, cut a 1-inch wide strip and pin this on the neckline right sides together. Carefully stitch this in place, close to the neckline. Once you've done this, fold the 1-inch wide band in on itself and stitch along the top here. To finish, hem the bottom of the dress, and here's the final look. I added a belt. You can see how I make this in my previous tutorials. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, and I'll see you next time.